the forbidden steadfastness. You might say, what? Is it haram to be patient? Only in one case. Listen to it carefully. I think this is the most important part of my whole lecture today. Which patience and steadfastness is it haram to be steadfast on it? Of course, we already said it is haram to be steadfast on haram. The most important part. Forbidden restraint and forbidden steadfastness must not is against moral guilt or sinful guilt. Meaning, you know something is haram or morally wrong, but you fight against it in order to keep doing it and not feel bad about it anymore. That's steadfastness. Courageous, mashallah.